The next video we're going to do is Opta token. Before we start it, can you just put a like on this, put a subscribe on the channel? We got lots of airdrops coming up. So we're going to hit on the Telegram bot. Open up the Telegram. Once you get to the bot, you hit start. First thing we're going to do is hit on the rules here. Then we're going to go to Telegram channel. Click join channel. Go back to the airdrop bot. Then we're going to go to Telegram group. We're going to join the group. And we're going to go back to the airdrop bot again. Go to Facebook and it says share post. So we're going to follow as well. So go to their home page, you hit a like on their page here. So after we've liked the page, we're going to go down, down, down. And we're going to like and share both these posts here. This one. Share now. And then we'll go down to this one as well. We'll share that too, just to make sure. And then next, we're going to go to the Twitter, pop up the bot again, open. And then we're going to hit follow. We're going to go down to the pinned post. We're going to like. And we're going to retweet this pinned post. Then we'll go back to our main Twitter. We're going to go to our profile. Go there first and then back to our profile. And we're going to go down to the token we just did. And then up in the top, we're going to copy and paste the ULR. That's going to be the next one we put in probably to our thing. So we're going to keep that ULR for now. Just keep it on your screen. And the first thing it asks for is your wallet. Submit your ERC20 wallet. You'll just copy and paste that right into here. Click this. Go to Telegram, ask for your Telegram username, put that in, and then put your Telegram username into here. Click on here. Next it will ask for your wallet, or not your wallet, your Facebook. Submit your Facebook into there. And it gives you the actual names, not the ULR, from what I can see. Click on there, save successfully. Next it's going to ask for your Twitter. Put your Twitter name in. Just copy and paste that into here. Click on this. And then you can click on balance and this will pop up. And here's your referral link right here. You can copy and paste that wherever you want. And that's the end of this airdrop.